Yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix TikTok's network error problem. So this is a basic problem and it's pretty easy to fix. So watch this video until the end without skipping if you guys also want to know how you guys can fix this problem, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can fix this problem. So yeah, if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, and it helps our channel to grow. So be sure to do that, and yeah, let's start the video without any further ado. Now to fix this problem, basically the first thing is check your internet connection, because the problem basically says network error. So it could be because of a slow internet connection. If your internet connection is slow, then switch to your phone's data connection, and that should fix the problem, because your phone's data connection or like cellular network connection is really faster than Wi-Fi. So make sure to switch on to it, and if you still have the problem even after you switch to a stable internet connection or to your cellular data and you still have this problem, basically what you can do is hold on TikTok over here, TikTok icon. Once the screen opens up, you can click on app info. Once you click on app info, you can click on storage usage. Now basically what we're going to be doing is we are going to be offloading TikTok app. This is going to clear all the cache and data stored in TikTok. So if it is caused by some kind of corrupted file, then it's going to reset that and going to fix your problem. So we're going to click on clear data and click on clear. So if you guys are using iOS, you guys don't have a feature called clear data, what you can do is you guys can offload TikTok. So basically we are offloading TikTok over here as well, but in Android it's called clear data, but in iOS it's called offloading app. Now after doing this, basically restart TikTok. By restart I mean if your TikTok is open, just close it and reopen TikTok again, and it should probably be fixed. And if it is still not fixed, then the last option is delete TikTok and reinstall TikTok again, and that should fix it. So these are the solution on how you guys can fix this error called network error. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any questions or queries related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, peace out.